Today we're taking in any bottoms and making them either into a drawstring waistband or an elastic waistband. I'm using jeans and trousers today, but this technique also works well with skirts. For these tutorials, you will need some bottoms that are too big, a pair of sharp scissors, some elastic, and either a string or shoelace larger than your waist. I'm using a strip of bias tape. And you will need a safety pin. Okay, first up is the drawstring waistband. You can see these thrifted jeans are a bit big in the waist. So take your pants and lay them down flat and do up the fly. Now we're going to cut 2 tiny holes on the inside of the waistband right near the button on either side of the fly. Make sure to only cut through the inner layer of fabric on the waistband and just cut the hole large enough for the head of your safety pin to fit through. Now subscribe to my channel, grab your string or shoelace, and measure or cut it so it's at least 1.5 times the size of your waist. Now grab your safety pin and pin it to one end of the string. Now we're going to weave the safety pin in through one hole, all the way around the waistband and out the hole on the other side. Now you can see halfway through I encountered a seam at the tag. Now you can either rip the seam like I'm doing, or cut 2 more holes on either side of the seam inside the waistband and weave the string out and back in around it. Alright, when you get all the way around, pull your strings so each side is about the same length, and then I tied little knots in the ends to prevent fraying. Then I loosely tied the string together so they won't get pulled back in. Make sure to do this before washing as well. Now put your pants back on, but before you do up the fly, tie your strings together tightly around your waist and tie it in a bow. Do up your pants and tuck in your drawstrings and they fit. Now for the elastic waistband. You can see these thrifted trousers are just big in the waist. So I did pretty much the exact same thing. So do up your fly and cut 2 tiny holes on the inside of the waistband right near the button on either side of the fly. I originally made mine too far apart and ended up cutting new holes afterwards. Now make sure to only cut through the inner layer of fabric on the waistband and just cut the hole large enough for the head of your safety pin to fit through. My camera cut out while I was cutting the holes, but you get the idea. Now grab a piece of elastic that goes slightly longer than around your waist, not stretched, and pin one end to your safety pin. Make sure your hole is large enough for your safety pin, and then start weaving your elastic around the inside of your waistband, all the way around and out the hole on the other side. Now loosely tie both ends of the elastic together so they don't get pulled back in. And make sure to do this before washing as well. Now put your pants back on, but before you do up the fly, tie your elastic together so it's comfortably tight around your waist. Now you can probably just double knot it and trim the ends, but make sure the elastic is stretchy enough to take your pants back off. If not, you can just tie it in a bow and keep it adjustable. And that's everything! I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Unorthodox. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video, right over here. Thanks for watching!